Pack number 6. Throw that down there. We have Mr. Benedict Mathurin from the Indiana Pacers. We have Bradley Beal from the Phoenix Suns. We have Cole Anthony from the Orlando Magics. We have a team card here. It says Pure Magic, Paolo and Suggs Sizzle from the Orlando Magics. We have the Claw, Kawhi Leonard from the Los Angeles Clippers. We have Kelly Oubre Jr. from the Philadelphia 76ers. We have Draymond Green from the Golden State Warriors. Awesome role player. Probably will be a Hall of Famer one day. We have another young Carmelo Anthony, but I think this one's on the base card. We had the other one on the black from the Denver Nuggets. Oh wow, we have Bernard King from the New York Knicks. That's an old school player. Now you can tell that's a retro jersey. We have Manu Ginobili, Hall of Famer from the San Antonio Spurs. We have a rookie card of Kaman Malauk from the Phoenix Suns. And last card in this pack, we have AJ Johnson from the Washington Wizards. It's a nice looking card. It says 1980 to 2025 45-year anniversary. Let's see if we got anything on the back. Nope. Okay. We will sit that one in the back. We'll put that one right there. Alright, we're going to move on to pack 7. Alright guys, before we move on to pack 7, don't forget to subscribe, share with others. If you guys like any particular cards that I have pulled, most of them will go up on eBay. If they're not on eBay, just let me know or shoot me a DM either on TikTok, that is jrubio80, or on Instagram at j.rubio80. I answer my DMs on both of those platforms and I try to stick to those two. We can negotiate and get these cards sold. Alright, so we're going to move on to pack number 7. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Any color in there? We got one backwards card. We'll put that one back there. So bring these up. It's okay. Starting out on pack 7, we have from my Los Angeles Lakers, one of my favorite players, Mr. LeBron James. He might play till he's 100. Who knows? We have Kobe White from the Chicago Bulls. We have Norman Powell from the Los Angeles Clippers. We have Guisharon Yabrusil from the Philadelphia 76ers. I know I messed that up. Sorry, bro. We have Nikola Jokic from the Denver Nuggets. We have another team card here of the Milwaukee Bucks. It says Fear the Deer. Has Mr. Giannis in the back there. We'll set that over there. We have Naz Reid from the Minnesota Timberwolves. We have another team card here from the Portland Trail Blazers. It says Rip City Duos Shine, Young Teammates Excel. It's a nice looking card there. Set that over here. We have, oh look at that, young Allen Iverson. That's probably when he crossed over Jordan. From the Philadelphia 76ers, Mr. Allen Iverson, Hall of Famer. We have from the Minnesota Timberwolves, Jaden McDaniels. A rookie card of Ryan Kalmbrenner from the Charlotte Hornets. And also Ingodoro from the Phoenix Suns on the black 45th anniversary. All right, no numbers on that one. It's all good. And no numbers on the front. Okay, we'll put that one in the back. Then we'll move on to pack 8. Here we go. Throw that to the side. Let's see what color we have. We got a couple backwards ones here. So we will flip. Starting out on this pack, we have Evan Mobley from the Cleveland Cavaliers, DeJounte Murray from the New Orleans Pelicans. We have Jared McCain from the Philadelphia 76ers. We have Kyle Filipowski from the Utah Jazz. Zaire Williams from the Brooklyn Nets. Cason Wallace from the world champion Oklahoma City Thunder. A rookie card of Con Nupel from the Charlotte Hornets. Yuki Kalmura from the Memphis Grizzlies. Victor Wembanyama from the San Antonio Spurs. Probably, if he stays healthy, he's going to be the MVP this year. We'll see. Josh Giddey from the Chicago Bulls. Oh my God, look at that card. Wow. That is pretty awesome. So this is Ace Bailey from the Utah Jazz. It has the rookie card logo right over here. Has the Utah Jazz over there. Look at that, Clutch City Prospect. It's a nice looking card. Let's see if this one's numbered. No numbers on there. You don't see it, I don't see it. And no numbers on the front. We will sit that over here. And then we have Mr. Devin Booker from the Phoenix Suns on this black refractor. That's a nice looking card. Flip that one around. Any numbers on that one? No. Still a nice looking card though. All right. We'll put that over here. And then we'll move on to pack number 9. All right, moving on to pack number 9. I know this is going to be a long video. I'm going to try to trim it down and edit it to where it's a reasonable video, but it is 130 something cards in here. 132 cards to be exact in this pack. But let's keep it going. All right, first card out the pack, or let's see what color we got first. Okay, we got 2 backwards cards. Let's flip those around. Boom. All right. So coming out the gate, we have from the Washington Wizards. It says, DC above all, DC duo dazzles city. We have Keyshawn George from the Washington Wizards. We have another little team card here. It's from the Cleveland Cavaliers. It says, for the land, All-Star lead the way, for Cavs. We have Darius Garland from the Cleveland Cavaliers. We have Yves Missi from the New Orleans Pelicans. We have Anthony Black from the Orlando Magics. We have a rookie card of Jameer Watkins from the Washington Wizards. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's Young Magic. Young Magic Johnson. Now that's the guy that I wanted to play like when I was a kid, growing up in the 80s. That was my favorite player right there. Magic Johnson from the Los Angeles Lakers. We have Peyton Watson from the Denver Nuggets. We have PJ Washington on the refractor here from the Dallas Mavericks. And we have Devin Vassell from the San Antonio Spurs on the 45th anniversary. Okay, we will sit that belt over here. Alright, we got 2 packs left, guys. So, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe, share with others. You can follow me on Instagram at j.rubio80, on TikTok at jrubio80, on YouTube at jrubio, and on YouTube at jrubio. Alright? And then I also have that eBay where all my cards get posted for sale, and that is jrubio80. You can look me up. If you ever forget, shoot me a DM. Say, hey man, what's your eBay? So I can see your cards. And I'll send you the link. And hopefully we can get some deals going, alright? We got 2 packs left. We're moving on to pack 10. Here we go. Last 2 packs. Alright, let's see if we got some color over here. We do have some color. There's 2 different ones. Starting out the gate on this one, we have Brandon Williams from the Dallas Mavericks. We have Pascal Siakam from the Indiana Pacers. We have Zach LaVine from the Sacramento Kings. We have Gary Trent Jr. from the Milwaukee Bucks. We have Anthony Davis from the Dallas Mavericks, formerly of my Los Angeles Lakers. We have Brandon Miller from the Charlotte Hornets. Hey, we got Reed Sheppard from the Houston Rockets. He's balling out right now. He's definitely helping the team, pushing the ball up the court. We have Buddy Hield from the Golden State Warriors. We have Rasheer Fleming from the Phoenix Suns, rookie card. We have Hassan Newell, rookie card from the Atlanta Hawks. We have OG Anunoby from the New York Knicks on the 45th anniversary, black card. And last one in this pack, we have Mr. Tyrese Maxey from the Philadelphia 76ers. It says points per game 26.3. It says code dunk right here. Has the fingerprint and the 76ers logo. Scan and slam. Alright. Nice looking card there. And he's definitely balling in Philly. Alright. We'll put that one back there. We're going to move on to the last pack 11. Alright, we're moving on to the last pack 11. Hopefully it'll bring us some last pack magic. Alright, here we go. Alright, throw that to the side. Let's see what kind of color we got here. We got a couple backwards cards there. We'll flip these bad boys around. Boom. Here we go. Max Strus from the Cleveland Cavaliers. Jordan Hawkins from the New Orleans Pelicans. Bub Carrington from the Washington Wizards. We have a team card here from the Chicago Bulls. Windy City Wonder. Young Bulls play tough. We have Nikola Jovic from the Miami Heat. We have Zach Edey from the Memphis Grizzlies. It says All-Rookie Team, NBA All-Rookie Team, 24-25. We have Paolo Banchero from the Orlando Magics. Orlando Magics. We have Kevin Garnett, another young Kevin Garnett. Man, these old school cards with them as younger players look pretty cool. Kevin Garnett from the Minnesota Timberwolves. We have Steve Kerr from the San Antonio Spurs, current coach of the Golden State Warriors. We have Jaren Jackson Jr. from the Memphis Grizzlies. Okay. And I thought I had turned that around. We have a San Antonio Spur. It says Generation Now, Dylan Harper, rookie card, San Antonio Spurs. And last card in the pack, we have Jameer Watson, rookie card from the Washington Wizards. Nice looking cards there. We'll set that over there. Thank you guys for making it through this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on all my social medias. I put up my full videos on YouTube. Clips usually go up on all my social medias, but they usually go up on TikTok first and then trickle down to all the other ones. Thank you for watching. Before we get out of here, let's go through some of the hits that I think were hits out of this pack of cards. Let me go through some of the cards that I thought were some pretty good hits out of these 11 packs. I got a total of almost 40 cards here. So that's almost 4 packs of pretty good cards here. Alright, so we're going to start out with some of the base players here. Of course, Ja Morant, LaMelo Ball, young D Wade, young Dirk Nowitzki, Jimmy Buckets, Jimmy Butler, Jalen Williams, Cade Cunningham, The Claw, Kawhi Leonard, young Carmelo Anthony, Bernard King from the Wizards, or from the Knicks, Manu Ginobili from the Spurs, of course LeBron James, Jokic, Nikola Jokic, Victor Wembanyama, Magic Johnson. Oh yeah, he's also part owner of the Dodgers, Anthony Davis, Reed Shepherd, young Kevin Garnett, Cooper Flag rookie, Allen Iverson, young Allen Iverson, Amen Thompson from the Rockets, John Stockton on the 8-Bit Ballers, Devin Booker from the Limited Stock Legends. 45th anniversary, we got Zachary from the Atlanta Hawks, Peel Larson from the Heat, Devin Booker, Suns. That's a nice looking card of Cedric Coward from the Grizzlies, rookie card. Isaiah Joe, young Carmelo on that little black and white. PJ Washington on the little refractor there. Another one on the 45th anniversary. Klay Thompson. Jameer Watson. Tyrese Maxey. Devin Vassell. Jimmy Butler on the power players. Mark Williams. Kyle Kuzma on the black and white there. Little refractor. Old school Detlef Schrempf from the Seattle Supersonics. And last card, Clutch City Prospect. There you go. From the Utah Jazz, Mr. Ace Bailey. It's a nice looking card there. Alright, so that was some of our hits out of there. I'll go back through the base cards and show you what I got out of those so we can do a quick recap, and then I'll end this video. Alright, we're going to go over some of our inserts here. The 45th anniversary here. There we go. Now you can see that little logo. Bam. From the Knicks, OG Anunoby. The Generation Now of Dylan Harper. Zach Edey on the NBA All-Rookie team. We have a team card of the Chicago Bulls. It says Windy City Wonder. Young Bulls play tough. We have the Cleveland Cavaliers here. For the land, All-Stars lead the way for Cavs. We have from the Washington Wizards. DC above all. DC duo Dazzle City. We have from the Portland Trailblazers. Rip City duo Shine. Young teammates excel. Milwaukee Bucks. Fear the Deer. Buck Stars lead the way. From the Phillies. Philadelphia. From the Philadelphia 76ers. Team card. Philly Tough. Young Stars Shine. From the Boston Celtics. Celtic Pride. The Jays Shine. From the San Antonio Spurs. New duos excel. Victor and Fox lead the way. From the Phoenix Suns. Heat Check. Suns duo Heat Up scoreboard. From the New Orleans Pelicans. Won't Bow Down. Pels Pair Control Game. From my Los Angeles Lakers, it says Showtime, Stars Shine in LA. Alright, so that was our inserts. We'll move on to our rookie cards. Alright, we're going to slide through our rookie cards real quick. We have Asa Newell, Rasheer Fleming, Jameer Watson, Con Canupel, Ryan Kalbrenner, Malok, Brooke Barnheiser, Noah Pinda, Kasparis Jakusionis, Walter Claxton Jr., Emmanuel Quickly. Oh, he wasn't supposed to be with the rookies. All right, Micah Peavy, Neek Clifford, Derek Queen, Sion James, and last one in here, Ace Bailey from the Utah Jazz. And we're going to run through our base cards really quick. Bub Carrington, Buddy Hield, Brandon Miller, Zach LaVine, Pascal Siakam. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. Get my fat hand out the way. Anthony Black, Josh Giddey, Cason Wallace, Jared McCain, DeJounte Murray, Naz Reid, Kobe White, Draymond Green. Let's get those straight and put those over there. Got that team card there. Cole Anthony, Bradley Beal, Benedict Mathurin, Suggs, Jalen Suggs, Jay Ivey, DeMar DeRozan, Trae Young, Jabari Smith Jr., Vanderbilt, Jared Vanderbilt, Kristaps Porzingis, PJ Washington, Michael Porter Jr., De'Aaron Fox, and Dylan Brooks. Last one in that pack. Alright guys, thank you for making it through the video. I hope I gave you a good idea of what could be in the pack. Some pretty nice looking cards, but it's definitely a good rip. Definitely would buy these cards again. but I have 6 boxes already. Might rip all 6. Might try to sell some of them. If you guys want to buy some boxes, hit me up on my social medias. Let me know. Especially if you can't get them in your city. Alright? So, thank you guys again. I love bringing this type of content to you guys. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Got new lighting, a new monitor for my desk here, something a little bit bigger. Follow me on all of my social medias. If there's any type of cards that you guys want to see open up before you purchase them, I'll go ahead and get them. Just as long as they're a reasonable amount, so I can do a review and give you an idea of what you could possibly get. I actually like this pack. Compared to regular Topps, this one is better. I'm waiting on Topps Chrome to come out, and then I can compare all three. The first pack of Topps, just the regular Topps, was pretty good. This one's definitely a step up. Hopefully the Topps Chrome is a step above them all, because Chrome is usually top tier, and I like that. Without further ado, me and my boy Blue, we're out of here.